Hey, so my name is Lydia Hayes, and I've gotten a ton of messages, just like an overflow of messages of people asking me exactly what it is that I do, because I've been able to just retire my husband, retire myself. Neither of us have to work. How I've been able to make so much money and not clock into a job. So Forex is the answer. And most of you watching me probably already participate in it, but you don't know. If you own a bank account, your bank is already trading your money in the foreign exchange market. So Forex, short for foreign exchange, what it primarily is that the banks are trading your money, and you're able to actually do that and get a percentage on it when you participate in the foreign exchange market. So what we do is we actually get sent trade signals straight to our phones, kind of like a text message, where they're telling us when to hit buy, when to hit sell on those foreign exchange markets. And what we do is, actually, let me show you one of my favorite apps. Okay, so one of my favorite apps is called SwipeCoin, and SwipeCoin actually tells you when to hit buy. It tells you what your take profit is, what your stop loss is, gives you all of that information. Then you go to the MetaTrader 4 app and you actually put that in. So on the side, these numbers may look crazy now, but they won't once you get started. Once you pay for the training, you hit trade, and then you're able to hit buy once you put in the stop loss and the take profits that was given to you already. And so the best part about this is only $225 to get started, and it's only $164 a month. I've known people who have charged over $1,000 just to teach you one training, but ours is ongoing, so you continuously get to learn, and the more you learn, the more you can actually earn. So that's one of my favorite parts about Forex, is that you never stop learning. My 5-year-old has been learning this now for over a year, and he is able to bring in 3 figures, 4 figures a month trading just because he's able to learn this skill set. So that's the best part of it, and I love it. So if you have any other questions, let me know. And this is actually for people who really want to either quit their job, want to look for an extra side hustle, just be able to grow their money and things like that. All right.